Hello everyone, welcome to solve this very nice algebra question. X multiplied by x multiplied by x plus x is equal to 10. So we are interested to find out the value of x. Let's come to the solution. As when the bases are same and multiplying each other, then their power will be added. So this will become x cube. Because here x power 1 multiplied by x power 1 multiplied by x power 1. So we get x cube plus x is equal to 10. Now in the next step, moving this 10 from right hand side to left hand side, this will become negative 10, and now this is equal to 0. Now by splitting this negative 10, x cube plus x, this will be minus, we can write this as minus 8 minus 2. Minus 8 and minus 2, we get minus 10. This is equal to 0. Now x cube plus x minus 8, we can write this as 2 cube minus 2, this is equal to 0. Now rearranging this, x cube minus 2 cube plus x minus 2, this is equal to 0. Now we will use here the algebraic identity, that if we have a cube minus b cube, this is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. So here we have a is equal to x and b is equal to 2. By using this identity, the above equation will become as x minus 2 into x squared plus x into 2 plus 2 squared plus x minus 2, and this whole thing is equal to 0. Now this will become x minus 2 into x squared plus 2x plus 2 squared, which is 4, plus x minus 2 as it is. This is equal to 0. Now we can factor out x minus 2. So inside the bracket, here x squared plus 2x plus 4 plus x minus 2, which we have taken it common. So inside here 1 will be left. And now these two factors will be equal to 0. X minus 2 into x squared plus 2x plus 4 plus 1, we get plus 5. This is equal to 0. So now we have two factor, x minus 2 is equal to 0, and the second factor x squared plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. From this we get x is equal to 2. By moving this negative 2 from left hand side to right hand side, this will become 0 plus 2, which is 2. So this is the first value of x, and it is a real solution. Now we will find the other solutions from this quadratic equation, x squared plus 2x plus 5. So by using quadratic formula here, the quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So first of all, we will write the value of a, b and c from this quadratic equation. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 5. Now using these values in this formula, so we get x is equal to minus b, the value of b is 2, so this will become minus 2, plus minus b squared means 2 squared, minus 4 into a, which is 1, and c, which is 5. Divide by 2 multiplied by a, 2 multiplied by 1. So in the next step, we get x is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 squared, which is 4, minus 4 multiplied by 1, 4, and 4 multiplied by 5, 20. Divide by 2 multiplied by 1, we get 2. So now we have x is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 minus 20, we get 16 with negative sign, divide by 2. So now we have x is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of minus 16 divided by 2. So now here x is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of minus 16. We can write this as 16 multiplied by minus 1. We get minus 16 divided by 2. Now if we have square root of a multiplied by b, whole square root of a multiplied by b, this we can write as square root of a into square root of b. So applying this condition here, this will become x is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 16 into square root of minus 1 divided by 2. So this will become x is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 16, which is 4, into square root of minus 1, which is iota, divided by 2. Now we can factor out 2 from numerator. So inside here, minus 1 plus minus 2 multiplied by 2, we get 4, 2i, divided by 2. Now from numerator and from denominator, this 2 and 2 cancel out. We will left with minus 1 plus minus 2i. First, we have found that x is equal to 2, and now x is equal to minus 1 plus 2i, and the second value from here, x is equal to minus 1 minus 2i. So we have found all three solutions. This is the real solution, and these are the complex solutions. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, The Math Click, please subscribe this.